Most men fail with women not because of how they look or how much money they have, but because of how they carry themselves. Your attitude, mindset, and how you react to situations determine your strength in women's eyes. If you show weakness, they lose attraction instantly, but they will respect and desire you if you embody strength and composure. Today, we'll break down the 10 attitudes that make you weak in the eyes of women and how to correct them using Stoic techniques. Number 1. Seeking validation. Constantly. Men who constantly seek approval appear needy. When you ask, "Do you like me?" or constantly fish for compliments, it signals insecurity. The Stoic fix? Focus on self-validation. Your worth isn't determined by external opinions, but by your own principles and actions. Marcus Aurelius said, "It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own." Stop seeking permission to be confident. Own it. Number 2. Over-apologizing for no reason. Saying sorry excessively, especially when unnecessary, makes you look weak. Women respect men who stand by their actions. The Stoic fix. Only apologize when you've truly done wrong. Instead of saying sorry for small things, say thank you or simply move forward with confidence. Number 3. Emotional instability. Losing control of your emotions, whether it's anger, frustration, or desperation, is a sign of weakness. The Stoic fix. Master your emotions through self-awareness and detachment. Seneca advised, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Women respect men who can stay calm under pressure. When she tests you, don't react. Respond with composure. Number 4. Over-pleasing and avoiding conflict. If you always say yes to avoid upsetting her, you're signaling weakness. Women test boundaries. The Stoic fix? Establish firm values. Epictetus reminds us, if you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Stop fearing disagreement. A high-value man isn't afraid to take a stand. Number 5. Complaining about life. Instead of taking action. No woman is attracted to a man who constantly complains about his job, his problems, or his bad luck. The Stoic fix? Accept responsibility and take action. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Instead of complaining, focus on solutions. Number 6. Being too available and lacking. Mystery. When you're always texting, calling, or dropping everything for her, you lose value. The Stoic fix? Maintain your own life, goals, and purpose. The more you invest in yourself, the more she will respect you. Number 7. Talking too much about yourself. Confidence isn't about boasting. It's about being comfortable in silence. Men who overshare or try too hard to impress come off as insecure. The Stoic fix? Let your actions speak louder than words. Ask more questions than you answer. Number 8. Chasing instead of attracting. Women are repelled by desperation. The Stoic fix? Stop chasing and start attracting. Focus on your growth, your mission, and your self-respect. When you become the prize, they will pursue you. Number 9. Fearing rejection and taking it personally. Rejection is part of life, but weak men let it crush their confidence. The Stoic fix? Reframe rejection as feedback, not failure. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Every rejection is a lesson that makes you stronger. Number 10. Lacking purpose and direction. The most unattractive thing to a woman is a man without a mission. The Stoic fix? Define your purpose and pursue it relentlessly. When you're focused on your path, you become naturally attractive. Women are drawn to strength, not just physical strength, but mental, emotional, and spiritual strength. The way you carry yourself, your mindset, and your ability to remain calm under pressure all determine whether she sees you as strong or weak. Stop seeking validation. Control your emotions. Stand firm in your values. Focus on purpose over approval. Master these Stoic techniques and watch how women and the world start respecting you. For more Stoic wisdom like this video, and share it with your brothers, and subscribe to this channel. Stoic stand. Okay, brother. See you in the next video. Stay Stoic, stay hard.